was so blue out today.
I know.
Blue sky.
It's such a nice day.
Vibey.
Is it okay if I play some music?
Yeah, sure. You have an aux or?
I don't have my phone. Can I use yours?
Do
you have music on there?
Yeah, I guess. Let me just Face ID. Okay, here you go.
Thank you so much.
Just play, play something cool that we can both vibe to,
Yeah, I'm just trying to find the app right now.
Okay. I have either Spotify or Pandora.
Okay.
Or AOL music.
Oh, okay, I found it actually.
Okay.
I think it's loading, but it's playing right now. Thank you.
What are you doing on there?
So much. Oh, nothing. I just I queued up the music.
Wait.
Oh, you could actually drop me right here.
Wait, why is all my Uber money gone? Did you just steal all the money in my account?
I did not steal all your money.
You literally just changed the bank info and deposited it. What the heck? You crazy. Hey, get back here. Numbnuts.